Alright, to start we're gonna do about 4 cups, 36 ounces of oats. I always just kind of guess on this and it works out. Blend it into a good fine powder. Dump your oats into the bowl. About 2 cups of dried quinoa. You can cook it and just add it that way, but I like to just do the dry and blend it on up into a powder. And add your ground quinoa flour. Then you can use any kind of dried nuts. Here I got walnuts and pecans. I usually do almonds if I've got them, maybe some cashews sometimes. This time I'm using about 5 or 6 cups of nuts. Usually I do about 4, but you know, we'll just have a more nuttier time this time. You don't want to grind them up to a paste. You want to leave some kind of chunky in there. And just add your nuts. Got about 2 cups of chia seeds. Another good ingredient is dried fruit. Here I've got figs, prunes, and dates. You can do apricots. Any kind of fruit in there is really good. I've even used just regular bananas, applesauce, stuff like that. Here I've added about 3 cups of water to help it mix up really well. Add your pureed dried fruit. Do about 3 teaspoons of baking powder. About a teaspoon and a half-ish of salt. About 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Just using up the last of everything around here. Melted about a cup of coconut oil. Pour that right on in. Gives it a nice coconutty flavor. Real awesome Aussie Bites have coconut shavings in there, and they use vegetable oil, so I'm just getting the coconut taste with coconut oil, which is better. Next, about a cup of honey. If you do it right after the oil, it kind of just slides right on out. And about a cup or so of peanut butter. Plop, plop. About a teaspoon of cinnamon. And somewhere around 2 cups of raisins. And now you just mix it all around. Man, I wish I had a mixer. Grease some mini muffin tins and then spoon them in. They don't really rise, so you can fill them all the way up. Put them in the oven at 350 for about 16 minutes. When they're all done, just pull them out of the oven. There they are. Yummy, awesome bites.